Ever pondered about financial freedom and how to achieve it? Have you ever imagined a life where your money works for you instead of the other way around? Welcome to the world of passive income, an avenue that can potentially lead to that coveted financial freedom. Let's venture into the realm of real estate investment first. This income source has stood the test of time and continues to be a favorite among the financially savvy. Buying properties and renting them out can generate a steady stream of income over time. But remember, it's not as simple as it sounds. It requires a keen understanding of the market, the right location, and the ideal property. Moreover, factor in property management expenses and possible vacancies. The key to success here lies in meticulous planning and continuous learning. Next on the list, dividend stocks. This source of passive income involves investing in companies that distribute profits back to shareholders. The charm of dividend stocks is the potential for both capital appreciation and regular income. However, it demands a thorough understanding of the financial market and the company you're investing in. Diversification and patience are your allies in this venture. Now, let's talk about digital products. In this digital age, creating and selling digital products like eBooks, online courses, or music can be a lucrative income stream. The beauty of this source is that you create the product once and sell it repeatedly. However, it demands creativity, market research, and effective marketing strategies. The key here is to create a product that offers value and meets market demand. Last but not least, automated online businesses. It could be a blog, an e-commerce store, or affiliate marketing. The potential returns can be significant, but it requires an initial investment of time and effort to set up. Once established, these businesses can generate income round the clock. But remember, competition is fierce, and staying relevant demands constant innovation and adaptation. To summarize, passive income sources like real estate, dividend stocks, digital products, and automated online businesses can pave the path to financial freedom. Each comes with its own set of challenges and rewards. Success in these ventures demands knowledge, patience, and a willingness to learn. But remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. So take calculated steps, stay committed, and let your money work for you. Remember, the goal is to build wealth, not just income.